Welcome to our in-depth walkthrough of WooCommerce for dropshipping. If you're considering WooCommerce for your business, you're making a solid choice. WooCommerce is a powerful WordPress plugin that allows you to transform your website into a fully functional e-commerce store. In this video, we'll explore how to set up and optimize WooCommerce specifically for dropshipping. You'll learn about must-have plugins like Ollie Dropship or WooCommerce Dropshipping by OP&C, which integrate seamlessly for importing products, managing suppliers, and automating orders. The interface is intuitive and gives you full control over product listings, inventory, and pricing strategies. One significant advantage of WooCommerce is its flexibility and compatibility with thousands of WordPress themes, which allow you to create a highly customizable storefront. However, managing your inventory and syncing with suppliers can become tedious without automation tools, which is why plugins are essential. We also highlight integrations with shipping solutions like ShipStation, enabling you to streamline logistics for a smoother customer experience. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. We'll also touch on how to optimize your WooCommerce store for speed and performance. Tools like caching plugins and image compression solutions are critical for reducing load times and improving your conversion rate. Beyond the technical setup, WooCommerce also integrates with marketing platforms like MailChimp and Google Analytics, giving you insights into customer behavior and sales trends. Make sure to watch the full video for actionable tips that will elevate your WooCommerce store to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button if you found this guide helpful.